Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 1 of exercise 10.5 of chapter 10 practical geometry of class 7. So here we'll construct the right angle triangle PQR where measurement of angle Q is 90 degree, where QR is 8 centimeter and PR is 10 centimeter. It means to see here, first of all we'll draw a rough diagram here like this. This what is given to us. They asking us to construct a right angle triangle like this. Fine. So in this way we will draw a right angle triangle where this one angle Q is, which one is of 90 degree because it is a right angle. And what is saying here that QR is 8 centimeter. So we can take here QR like this also. QR as 8 centimeter here. And this one PR, what is saying here, PR is 10 centimeter. So this one is your point P. So its length PR is 10 centimeter. So in this shape of triangle we have to draw. So let's start it now. First of all, I am going to take here QR as 10 centimeter, 8 centimeters. So let's start it now. This one length is of 8 centimeter, you can see, and we'll name it as Q and R as 8 centimeter. And what is saying here, draw a right angle on Q. So let's start it now. First of all we'll draw a semicircle here like this. After drawing semicircle, this one first arc is of 60 degree and the second one arc is of 120 degree. Then after that you can see here I am going to enlarge this arc, and this one here, this one arc is there which is representing, see, I am going to join this one point with this, and this will represent a right angle, you can see. Fine. So it is representing a right angle, but what we want here PR as 10 centimeter. So again I am going to open my compass up to 10 centimeter length. So place your compass here on 10 centimeter and open it till 0. Now you can see here it is your 10 centimeter. Now place your compass on arc and make an arc like this on this right angle. Now we'll going to join R and this one point which is named as P point here. So on joining this you can see here it is R here and it is P here. Please join both and you will get your right angle triangle. Fine. And it is of length, this one PR is of length 10 centimeter, and this is your right angle triangle PQR, which is right angle at Q. Now next sum, question number 2. Construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter long and one of its legs means its arms, is 4 centimeter long. Again means we will construct a triangle which is right angle triangle. It will be of this one shape. Fine. It means this one angle is right angle. And what is saying here, whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter long. And just remember one thing, the side which is opposite to right angle, the side is always known as hypotenuse. Mean to say this is right angle and its opposite is this one side and it is your hypotenuse. Fine. It means this one length is of 6 centimeter. Fine. And one of its legs is of 4 centimeter. So what we'll do, we will take this one side as 4 centimeter. So let's start its construction. Again we will draw a line. It is of 4 centimeter. See, I am going to draw it. Now it is of 4 centimeter. Fine. Now after drawing, what we'll do here, again we'll construct a right angle here. So let's start it now. Again draw a semicircle. So what we'll do here, I am going to draw a semicircle here. Now after drawing the semicircle, again this one first arc is of 60 degree and second arc is of 120 degree. So what we'll do here, we will enlarge these arcs. Now you can see here this one your point, this one point. I am going to pass this one point from this intersecting point of the arcs, and here we are going to construct a right angle. Fine. So what is saying here, that hypotenuse is 6 centimeter long. So again open your compass till 6 centimeter. So see here, I have opened my compass till 6 centimeter. Fine. So again place your compass here on this point and make an arc on this right angle. And I am going to join this one here. You can see that this one is representing your right angle triangle whose hypotenuse 6 centimeter. So as you know that we have taken a 6 centimeter here, it is complete here. So this is your 6 centimeter and this is your length as 4 centimeter. So in this way you can construct this right angle triangle. Again, if you want to check, please don't forget to check your measurements again, that you have taken this one length as 6 centimeter. Again I am going to show it to you. See, this is 6 centimeter here, find it of 6 centimeter length, and this is your 4 centimeter. Fine. So that it will be clear to you that your construction is correct. And with the same process you can construct question number 3 yourself.